Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain dimensioning standard as per ISO 129 and how to apply them in Revit. Following proper dimensioning standards is very important for creating clear and professional drawings. Let's get started. ISO 129 is an international standard that defines the rules for dimensioning in technical drawings. It ensures that dimensions are presented clearly and consistently so that drawings can be easily understood by engineers, designers, and construction teams. Following ISO standard helping maintain uniformity across different projects and disciplines. Let us now understand some general rules as per ISO 129. Dimension should be placed outside the object whenever possible to maintain clarity. Dimension lines should be thin and clearly visible. Extension lines should not touch the object directly and should extend slightly behind the dimension line. Dimension should be arranged in a logical sequence, avoiding overlapping or crossing of dimension lines. All dimensions must be readable from the bottom or right side of the drawing, depending on the orientation. Dimensions should be placed in such a way that they clearly represent the size and position of elements. Avoid placing dimension inside the drawing unless it is necessary. Chain dimensioning and baseline dimensioning can be used depending on the requirement. Proper spacing should be maintained between dimension lines to ensure readability. Units should be consistent throughout the drawing. Generally, units are not repeated for every dimension if they are already specified. Symbols and annotations should follow standard conventions to avoid confusion. In Revit, dimension style can be customized. Follow ISO standards. You can adjust text size, line thickness, arrow style, and unit formats in the dimension settings. It is recommended to create standard templates to maintain consistency across all drawings. Some common mistakes include overlapping dimensions, inconsistent spacing, and incorrect placement of dimension lines. These makes can reduce drawings clarity and lead to misinterpretation during construction. Let us now look at a simple example of dimensioning as per ISO 129 standards. In this example, the object is clearly shown and all dimensions are placed outside the object for better readability. The dimension lines are thin and extension lines are slightly offset from the object. Arrowheads are used at both ends of the dimension lines to indicate the measured distance. We can be use arrow tick, architectural tick, or arrowhead. Dimensions are arranged in logical order, avoiding overlapping or crossing lines. This ensures clarity and a professional presentation. To summarize, ISO 129 provides guidelines for clear and consistent dimensioning in technical drawings. Following this standard ensures better communication and professional presentation. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to my channel for more Revit and BIM tutorials. Thank you.